In this video, I'm going to show you a slightly different way of working with Word's Table of Contents tool with a cover page. So I've already created the styles in the headings. Remember that if you're going to use the Table of Contents tool in Word, you need to have styles in your document, otherwise the Table of Contents is not going to work. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add a cover page. So my cursor is at the beginning of my document. I'm going to go to Insert and Cover Page, and I'm just going to choose that same cover page. I'll go in and change it. So I'm just adding that, delete that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click at the beginning of my text, and here's where I'm going to add the table of contents. So again, it's references and table of contents and automatic table number 1. And I'm now going to add the section break right here. So page layout, breaks, and next page section break. And here's where it gets a little more complicated, because what happens with the cover page added first, it's dealing a little bit differently with the section break. So I'm going to go into my footer here just by double clicking on it. And there's page 1 and there's page nothing. There's my section 1 footer. Now, if you remember from the other video, the section 2 footer was just a section 2. It wasn't a first page footer. But because of the cover page being put in first, it when you put in the table of contents, it gives you a first page footer. So in the first page footer, so I've clicked inside that footer into section 2. I look at my header footer toolbar and I undo different first page. So that gets rid of the different first page. Now I just have a simple section 1 footer, section 2 footer. The other thing is that it starts the numbering here at 0. So I want this page to start at number 1. So my cursor is sitting in the section 2 footer. I'm going to go into page number. I'm going to format page numbers, and it's set to start at 0. I'm going to start it at 1. Click on OK. Now it's looking more like I want. Now the only other thing I need to do here is to go to the section 1 footer, and I need to change that format to small Roman numerals. So I'm going to go page number, format page numbers, change my format to small Roman numerals, click on OK, and that's what I want. So it's given me all of the other things that I want. So you just need to kind of keep your eye on what's going on with the footers, what section are you in, and work with it that way.